Hey there, welcome back to my channel on YouTube, and if you're on YouTube, you can go to windowpurchase.com. You can see a compilation of all my videos in one place. There'll be a list. You can just scroll down the list, find the ones that suit you, click on it, takes you right back to YouTube to the exact video. It's going to save you a lot of time. That way you're not wasting time watching videos you might not want to see. So one of the things I want to cover today is on, some people call it gut outs, or it might be called full replacement. Versus an insert when it comes to windows or doors, whether it's sliding patio doors or swinging. So here's kind of what it is. When you say the word gut out or full replacement, I'm going to show you a picture. This happens to be on a patio door, but same thing applies to windows. You can see everything on the original patio door was taken out. Everything brick to brick, stud to stud, the threshold's gone. There is not one part of that old patio door left in place. It's all gone. And this is typically what's referred to as a gut out or a full replacement. Then when they put the product back in, that should kind of be the finished look. Everything looks like it's back in place. And a lot of people want that type of installation because they're afraid of rot or maybe bug infestation, and they just want to err on the side of caution. But depending on what state you live in and the township you live in, some of the things that you replace with windows and doors, simply everything has to go because there might be some code or a village rule that says if you're going to replace this, everything's got to go. You can't just do an insert product. So a lot of people ask me, well, is it better to always do a full replacement? I don't like using the word always because you're always going to have exceptions. You need to pick and choose your battles. You need to do what's right for you. And of course, a lot of times if you're doing a full replacement with complete gutouts, and you might be getting all new interior wood trim, and then that wood trim may or may not already be pre-painted or pre-stained. You know, somebody's got to pay for all of that. So is it a more complete finished look? Yeah. If it's on windows and you're doing full replacement or complete gutouts, are you going to be less affected by glass loss? Maybe your window has this much glass now, and if you're not doing a full replacement, maybe you have this much glass. Or if you did a full replacement, maybe you would have maintained the amount of glass that you have. Every situation is going to be different. Every style of window is going to be different. And houses are made up of different type of walls, and that can also affect how the overall product's going to look when it's done. So just understand when you're doing full replacement or complete gutouts, it's usually going to be all new trim around the inside of the product. Somebody's got to paint or stain that either on site or before it gets there, but it's going to be a more complete, more finished look, but you're going to pay a little more for it. An insert is where the trim usually stays and they're not going all the way stud to stud or brick to brick, and that's okay too, just depending on the type of install that's required or needed. Anyway, I hope that helps. Once again, my name is Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. Thanks for tuning in.